So what's going on, guys? I'm Ricky. So today we're gonna see the topic of assigning multiple values to multiple variables in a few couple of lines. For example, x, comma, j, and y. For example, we're gonna assign the values, string values. For example, orange, banana, and I don't know, straw, pineapple, pine, or apple, for example. Okay, and we're going to print them, print x, print y, print w. Let's go ahead and run this code. We save it, run it. As we can see, we have in the logs the value of these variables. So we learned today that we can assign different multiple variables and with multiple values in a single line. So that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial of Python programming language.